Is your Nissan Sentra dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Let's fix this in 5 steps. Statistics show that 80% of disconnects are caused by simple cable, wear, or debris in the port. We need to systematically isolate the 3 failure points: the cable, the phone, and the head unit. Start by swapping your cable for a high-quality MFI-certified version and clearing lint from your phone's port. If hardware is fine, dive into your iPhone settings to forget the car and ensure your iOS is fully updated. On the Nissan side, clearing out old paired devices and performing a hard reset on the infotainment screen often does the trick. Most fixes are DIY, but if the USB port itself is physically loose, you may need a professional replacement. The vast majority of issues are strictly cable-related, so try a different one before assuming it is a car problem. If you are still stuck, try connecting a different iPhone to rule out your phone's specific software configuration. Keep a spare high-quality cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box for quick roadside fixes. Remember, connectivity is only as strong as your weakest link, so start with the cable and work your way up. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Nissan troubleshooting tips.